I've noticed a strange trend in the tech industry lately. Engineering managers are looking for flight simulators. They are hunting for apps, frameworks, and rigid formulas to teach them how to lead people. It's as if we have started to believe that if we just find the right algorithm, we can manage humans without the messiness of actually being human. But here's the cold reality. You cannot hack leadership. You cannot learn character from a simulator. Most managers are sitting there waiting for a green light, some kind of a visible win or a dashboard notification to prove they belong in the role. But your reputation is not built on the wins that everyone can see. It's built in the dark. It's built in those moments where there is no formula, no approval, and absolutely no guarantee that you are doing the right thing. But this is what management is. Green dashboard lie. So let me share a story from my own experience. I once knew a manager who lived and died by the dashboard. Every sprint was green. Every velocity chart was climbing at a perfect angle. On paper, this guy was a genius, but he was obsessed with the simulator. He missed the ghost in the machine. He didn't notice that his lead had stopped joking in the Slack channels. He didn't see the growing silence during code reviews. He was so busy managing the graphs that he missed the human collapse happening right in front of him. By the time the data finally showed a dip in performance, half the team had already signed new offers elsewhere. He lost his team. The data didn't save him, it blinded him. He was managing a simulation while his reality was burning down. But this is not management. The hidden cost of policing. This brings us to a massive debate I see constantly on Reddit and LinkedIn. Can data ever replace trust? Many managers think that if they have enough metrics, lines of code, pull request cycle times, active hours, they don't need to build deep relationship. They use data to police their people instead of supporting them. But here's the hidden cost. When you use metrics to watch over someone's shoulder, you are not a leader, you are a controller. And people can feel the difference. Data is just a language, it's a tool for clarity. But the human stack is what carries the actual weight of the project. A real leader uses data to provide the map for the team, not to replace the gut feeling you get when you know deep down that your team is struggling even when the charts say everything is fine. But this is what management is. So beyond the script, here is what the simulators and the management books will never tell you. People don't want to be managed by a process. They want to be led by a person. Real leadership doesn't happen during a scheduled quarterly review. It happens spontaneously. It's this 2 minutes unscheduled conversation after a meeting where you say the right thing at the right time, simply because you were actually present. It's the courage to deviate from the standard procedure because you recognize a human need that a machine or a KPI simply cannot see. When you rely only on formulas, you are just a middleman, a dispatcher of tasks. But when you start using your personal judgment to handle human complexity, the company starts reading you differently. You stop being the person who delivers sprints and you become the leader who understands the human stack. That shift doesn't come from your title or your power. It comes from your initiative. And this is what management is. Becoming the human leader. So if you want to move past this fake manager phase, you have to have the guts to step out of the simulator. It's time to stop hiding behind the tools. First, ditch the script. In your next one-to-one, I want you to close your laptop and don't look at your notes for the first 10 minutes. Just listen. Look for what is not being said. Second, surface the unspoken. If there is an elephant in the room, name it. Do it spontaneously. Don't wait for a safe moment that will never ever come. Third, build your human radar. Spend more time observing the dynamics between your people and less time sharing performance graphs. You won't always get it right. There are no undo buttons in real life, but how you choose to stand for your team when things are messy, that is what defines the leader you will become. So, are you waiting for a formula or are you ready to lead? Let me know in the comments if you have ever felt that data was lying to you about your team's health. Let's talk about it. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.